today I have this 100 feet stainless steel garden hose. It comes with a water gun as well. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. I like the concept because this will be pretty durable. It's not going to be kinking, especially since it's stainless steel. So I want to try it out because I keep having hoses that claim that they're not going to kink, but they keep kinking. And I also needed a longer hose. My normal one was 50 feet. This is 100 feet. Despite being a 100 feet hose, it's not that heavy actually, so it's well made. It seems like the stainless steel is thin enough to doesn't add too much weight. Here's the water gun. This actually feels pretty premium quality. Has a lock to lock the gun on. All right, let's go ahead and look at the hose itself. This is one of the connectors. It's a copper fitting. It has a plastic handle that's malleable, so you can bend it a little bit. This is my other old hose, which has a problem of kinking. The connector to the actual faucet is also copper fitted with a washer already in place. In the bag, they've actually included an extra washer as well, so we're going to save that for later. Over the years, of course, these rubber washers will crack, but that's no issue with this hose because they give you an extra one to begin with. All right, on the other side, there's a washer already inserted on the water gun head as well. So let's go ahead and screw that in. As you can see, these copper fittings rotate on themselves, so you don't have to twist up your hose to get it on. Let's go ahead and turn it on for the first time here. As you can see, no leaks from the water faucet itself and no leaks at the water gun. There you go. I have water all the way through. Again, no leaks here, no leaks here, completely bone dry. They've actually included 2 washers. I saw an extra one in the box. There's also a user manual in case you need it, just giving you some tips and tricks to make sure your garden hose lasts long. I have now unwound the entire hose, and as you can see, it's on. It's super easy to pull and not get it tangled. Stepping on it, it doesn't crush the hose. So of course I won't intentionally step on it, but if you do step on it, it's not going to crush the hose, it's not going to damage the hose. The water pressure, despite being a 100-foot hose, is pretty strong. So let's go ahead and spray some water here. As far as the different modes, this is the mist, the half vertical, the center, which gets you pretty far, at least 20 feet here, full, even further, probably 25 feet, the flat, the shower. As I'm stepping on these hoses, you can see they're not crunching down. The cone, the jet, which goes probably 30 to 35 feet away, the soaker, the angle, and back to the mist. Pulling the hose over. As I unwound the 100 feet hose, I had 0 kink. I don't even think it's possible to kink this hose. It's stainless steel. You want to dry it, or you want to store it dry so it's not soaking wet or anything like that, and it should stay rust free, kink free, and work for years. Comes with extra washers, comes with a water gun head, which is really high quality with this grip. Really nice water gun head. This should last me years. I'm really happy with this purchase. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.